Hello everybody, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and today's video is about a question I got from a viewer. He wrote to me that he doesn't think that he should have to pay for training. He thinks his boss or his shop should be the one paying for his training. I'm here to tell you that is a luxury if you get a shop to pay for your training and stuff. Really, when it comes down to it, you are responsible for your own training, you are responsible for your own schooling, and you're responsible for your own tools. So if you're relying on a shop or somebody else to do your pay for your training, you'll never get training. Or you may get lucky and the shop does pay for it, but if you expect it, it's just not going to happen. So what I'm suggesting to you is to make it happen for yourself. Go look into training. There's all kinds of training available out there. You can look up your local parts stores. They have a lot of training programs such as Napa and O'Reilly and AutoZone and WorldPack. WorldPack has some great classes. There's some other AITN. They have some training classes. There's all kinds of classes out there online. You can also check your local colleges for classes. So there's plenty of options to get the schooling you need to learn how to fix these cars. So I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.